Okay, here we are. Bushes. I don't know if you can tell on this or not. Snow. Whoa! And there's Ginger. Come on, Ginger. It's pretty hard to tell how deep it is, but it's definitely up to my waist. Here, I'll get down. Come here, Ginger. Ginger. Where is she? Oh, look at this pup. She loves the snow. Hey, Ginger. Good girl. Hey, come on down. Oh, it's way over her head. So high. I think, wait, hold on. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, up to my waist. Up to my waist in the biggest snow I've seen in my life in the DC area. Ginge, you like it? Are you having fun? Come on, Ginge, let's run. Come on. Okay, let's see if you can get perspective. Whoa! On the fast pup. The fast pup. Whoa! Nice jump, Ginger. Nice jump. Good girl. Look at that face. You're so cute. Say woof, woof, woof. Yeah, she loves the snow. And it's just ridiculously deep. Talk about snowed under. Woo-ha.